just see a very special edition of Miz TV with special guest 24/7 champion R-Truth. It's live and it's next. Ricochet and AJ Styles a bit later on tonight, but coming up next is this man. The magical ride continues of the WWE champion, Kofi